In Brussels, an offer by British Prime Minister Theresa May to renegotiate Britain's deal to leave the European Union is rejected by European leaders. French President Emmanuel Macron calls for calm as security forces prepare for another weekend of protests. In Kosovo, the parliament votes to create a 5,000-member army despite opposition from neighboring Serbia, and officials in Spain charge Colombian singer Shakira for failing to pay more than $16 million on income earned between 2012 and 2014.